Here's how to purchase a Roblox gift card. You have a couple options. Amazon is one of the best options. They have a whole page for Roblox. It's this one right here. There's a link in the description that will take you to this page. And you can find physical gift cards, digital gift cards, and the party pack if they have it in stock. You can also look at gift card multi-packs, and they have accessories, books, etc. on this Roblox landing page on Amazon. So if you were to go there, you can go look at physical gift cards. And so there's physical gift cards by denomination. The reason Amazon might be one of the best places is, especially if you have Prime, and by the way, you can try Prime free for 6 months or for 30 days. Links are in the description for that. But if you have Prime, you're going to get these gift cards really fast. And so if you want that physical gift card to be able to give to someone, you can order those through the Amazon landing pages in these denominations here. You can also get gift card multi-packs. So that would be like 3 $15 gift cards for $45 here on Amazon. And sometimes you might even find these on deal where they're cheaper than the actual price of the gift card. And so you've got this for physical. You also have digital gift cards. Now, digital gift cards, you'll get the PIN code emailed to you. You'll also have a section on Amazon where you can find the PIN code. You can see that there's all these different denominations. We can click on one of these. We can add it to cart. We can actually click and go to that page. And so there's a specific page for this Roblox gift card. And we can just add it to cart here, change the quantity, change the amount, everything like that. And so to find your PIN code, either go to your email or I'll leave a link to your games and software library. This is where digital purchases for games and software should end up, and you should be able to see those gift cards here to be able to find that PIN code or that PIN to insert and redeem the gift card for whomever you might have sent it to. So the Roblox gift cards also has a landing page. It's roblox.com/gift cards. And you can shop for gift cards here as well. It's basically the same thing. You can shop digital or physical gift cards. You can choose the amount and choose whether it's for you or for a friend. So if it's for someone you're sending it to, you could say for a friend, and you could do the recipient name as well as your name and a gift message, and then you can add that to cart. You can do similar thing on Amazon as well. So you can go through the order process here on Roblox.com for the Roblox gift card, or you can go through Amazon and kind of shop the Roblox store, which is their landing page, and go through and see what's available gift card wise here. And then when you need to redeem a Roblox gift card, you will go to roblox.com/redeem. I'll leave links in the description so you can get to it on your phone, you can get to it on a computer. It's basically the same page that says enter your code. Now, you need to be logged into your account. So make sure when you're on that page, you're looking in the upper right-hand corner for login, and make sure you're on the account that you want to redeem that Roblox gift card. You're going to redeem it here. It's going to convert to Robux, and you'll be able to use it within the game itself. So that's how you can buy and redeem Roblox gift cards. I highly recommend Amazon just because if you're getting a physical gift card, you're going to be able to get that super fast shipping. If you don't have Prime, there's a link down below to get Prime. You can try it for free and get those shipped within like 2 days and sometimes even quicker than that. That's how you can purchase or buy a Roblox gift card.